Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into allowance. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Contribution, which means a gift or payment to a common fund or collection. Contribution. For example, the agency is mainly financed from voluntary contributions. Number 2. Remittance, which means a sum of money sent in payment or as a gift. Remittance. For example, complete the booking form and send it together with your remittance. Number 3. Subsidy, which means a grant or contribution of money. Subsidy. For example, the theatre receives a subsidy of £1.7 million a year. Number 4. Maintenance, which means a husband's or wife's provision for their spouse after separation or divorce. Maintenance. For example, a divorced man paying his ex-wife £2,500 a year maintenance. Number 5. Pension, which means a regular payment made by the state to people of or above the official retirement age and to some widows and disabled people. Pension. For example, men can draw a pension from the age of 65. Number 6. Payment, which means something given as a reward or in recompense for something done. Payment. For example, they offer extra payment for good performance. Number 7. Grant, which means a sum of money given by a government or other organization for a particular purpose. Grant. For example, a research grant. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.